Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make and sell ice cream. First, let's start with the basics of crafting a delicious batch. You'll need heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings. Combine these ingredients, then churn them in an ice cream maker until it's a soft serve texture. Finally, freeze it for at least 4 hours to achieve that perfect scoopable consistency. Once you've mastered a small batch, consider scaling up. Investing in commercial equipment, like a larger ice cream machine, will significantly boost your production capacity. Sourcing ingredients in bulk can also lead to substantial cost savings. Remember to maintain a consistent recipe to ensure every batch meets your high standards, delighting customers every time. Before selling, it's crucial to address the legal and business side. You'll need to secure the appropriate food handling permits and business licenses from your local government. Familiarize yourself with health department regulations regarding food preparation, storage, and labeling. Also, consider obtaining business insurance to safeguard your venture against unforeseen circumstances and liabilities. Now for the fun part, selling your delicious creations. Develop a strong brand identity with a catchy name and an attractive logo. Leverage social media platforms and participate in local markets or events to showcase your unique flavors. Offering samples and running special promotions are excellent ways to draw in new customers and build a loyal following for your ice cream business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.